surface down in the deep. We were created using unimaginable feats. This laboratory built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. Now we creations aren't allowed to leave, for Zorro traps us here within himself. We see the light shining from the outside, and we want out, we want out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystals and poison, all of us want to be free. We don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, but we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Benson, don't tell me you're going on about this whole escaping the workshop thing again.
You're just blind to the truth, Whale.
No, you're the one who's blind. Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real, and follow this foolish quad on the path he trods. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell. This is the only place where we can dwell. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be. Steel and shadows, plasma like me, crystal and poison. This is only where